So what you're looking at right now is the Dobot Magician setup for 3D printing. You can have a closer look at the hot end, and I'll walk you through how everything is connected. So the hot end is connected to the forearm, and the port number 4 is connected to the heater. Number 5 is connected to the fan, and number 6 is connected to the temperature sensor. And now we're looking at the back of the Dobot Magician. As you can see, this is the extruder connected to both the machine and the filament. And the extruder is connected to one of the stepper motor ports at the back of the base of the Dobot Magician. And what's special about this port is that the Dobot Magician have 2 stepper motor ports, which means it can be connected to 2 extruders. Combining the double color printing head, it can do double color 3D printing. And finally, we're looking at the USB cable connected to the PC, and this is the software that controls 3D printing. And because the Dobot Magician supports G-code, it is compatible with the mainstream open source 3D printing softwares that you can find. And this one specifically is the Simplify 3D, and you can also choose others like Prontophase or Repetier Host if you like. This is the model that is being printed, and it is a Pikachu. Well, at least a part of it. So this is the Dobot Magician with its 3D printing kit. And I'll do a fast forward to show you the whole printing process. And here it is, the Pikachu created by Dobot Magician. And this is the end of the demo showing Dobot Magician doing 3D printing. Thanks for watching.